In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Squarespace website. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Squarespace site and you're on the main dashboard. When you're ready, look for the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It typically looks like a small gear. Click it to open the site's settings area. This is where Squarespace keeps tools for managing your site's content, design, and data. Inside Settings, navigate to the Website section and open Import and Export Content. This is the built-in area Squarespace provides to move content in and out of your site. It's especially helpful if you're backing up key content or preparing to migrate to another platform. Next, choose Export. Squarespace will present options for the export format. Select WordPress. Even if you're not moving to WordPress, this is the standard export option Squarespace uses. It creates an XML file, which many platforms can interpret, and it's the format most import tools expect. A quick note on what this export includes and what it doesn't. The export focuses on structured content, things like blog posts, basic pages in some cases, and metadata such as titles, authors, and publish dates. Your visual design, templates, custom CSS, index pages, and certain content types like store products, events, or specific blocks usually aren't part of the export. Images are referenced in the file, and depending on where you import later, they may be pulled over by the importer. Keep this in mind so there are no surprises. When prompted, click. Select a collection to export. In Squarespace, a collection is a content group such as a blog, a gallery, or a store. Choosing the specific collection helps you control exactly what gets packaged. From the list, click Blog. If your site has multiple blogs, be sure you're selecting the one that contains the posts you want to capture. This keeps the export clean and avoids mixing content you don't need. Finally, click Export to start the process. You'll usually see a status indicator while Squarespace prepares the file. The time it takes depends on how much content you have. Larger blogs can take longer. It's best to keep the tab open until the export finishes to ensure the file is created without interruption. Once the export completes, Squarespace provides an XML file in the WordPress format. That file represents your blog content and can be used for backups or as part of a migration workflow. If you plan to move platforms, check the destination's import guide for how it handles images and which content types it supports. And that's it. You've used Squarespace's built-in tools to package your website's blog content into a portable file quickly and safely.